Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove password in Windows 10. So the first step you simply need to do is to click on this search icon, and then you need to open the settings of your PC. Click on open. So once you open that, you simply need to search for sign in or sign up. So once you are here, you simply need to click on change the sign in requirements, and here you can see password. You simply need to click here, and then you simply need to click on change, and here you need to add your current password. So let me enter. So here you can see new password, confirm password. So make sure that you leave this space like this. Click on next and click on finish. Once you've done that, you not need to add password again and again. And once you open your PC, it will restart. It will start without any password. So this is the process how you can remove password in Windows 10. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.